Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Xero for reconciling insurance claim payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Xero for reconciling insurance claim payments, start by visiting the Xero website. On the home page, look for the Try Xero for Free button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Here, enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your details, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Xero website. You can now log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to fill in your organization details. Provide the name of your business or organization. Select your country and enter any other required information. Review the details you have entered and click Continue. Next, you will be guided through the setup process. You may need to choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. After selecting a plan, you will be asked for your payment information. Enter your credit card details to finalize your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you will be taken to your Xero dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. To reconcile insurance claim payments, navigate to the Accounting tab. From there, select Bank Accounts. Add your bank account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account securely. After connecting, Xero will start fetching your bank transactions. To reconcile, go to the Bank Reconciliations section. Here, you will see your listed transactions alongside your insurance claim payments. Match the transactions by clicking on them accordingly. If you need to add any new transactions related to your claims, you can do so here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.